For years, I thought my home was messy because I needed more storage or bigger closets. I blamed the furniture, the lack of space, even my own age. But none of that was the real problem. The truth is, my home stayed cluttered because of one single habit I never thought to question. I kept holding on to things without giving them a proper place. Everything just floated around, landing wherever there was room. And the mess kept coming back, no matter how many times I cleaned. Then I came across a few ideas rooted in the Japanese way of caring for a home. Not complicated methods. Just quiet, thoughtful discoveries that changed how I look at every corner of my house. Today I want to share 8 of those discoveries with you. They are simple, they are gentle, and they actually work. Discovery 1. Give every object a fixed home. One of the biggest reasons a house stays messy is that most things do not have a specific place where they belong. You finish using the scissors and leave them on the kitchen counter. The remote ends up on a different spot every evening. This is something the Japanese mindset addresses right from the start. Every single item in the house deserves its own address. Not a general area, but a precise spot. When you know exactly where something lives, you stop wasting time looking for it. You also stop creating those small piles that grow into big messes over the weekend. The common mistake is thinking you will remember where you put things. You will not, but once every object has a home, cleaning becomes almost automatic. Your hands already know where everything goes. Discovery 2. Clean one small area every day instead of everything at once. Many of us wait until the house feels out of control, and then we spend an entire Saturday trying to fix it all. That is exhausting, especially when your body does not recover as fast as it used to. In Japanese households, there is a habit of doing a little bit every single day. One shelf today, one drawer tomorrow, a bathroom mirror the day after. It never feels heavy because it never piles up. The mistake most people make is treating cleaning like a weekend project. That only leads to frustration and sore muscles. When you clean one small corner each morning, even for just 10 minutes, your home stays fresh without ever draining your energy. It becomes part of your rhythm, like brushing your teeth or making your bed. Discovery 3. Let go of things that no longer serve your daily life. This one can be hard, I know. We attach memories to objects. A mug from a trip, a shirt we have not worn in 3 years, a broken clock that still sits on the shelf. But in the Japanese approach, there's a deep respect for the things you actually use. Holding on to what no longer fits your life is not honoring those memories. It is just filling your space with weight. The real benefit of letting go is not just a cleaner room. It is a lighter feeling inside your chest when you open a closet and everything in there belongs to who you are right now. Start with just 5 items this week. Things you already know you do not need. You will feel the difference before the week is over. A peaceful home starts with almost invisible details. If you'd like to learn homemade recipes and small habits that make your routine simpler, I've put everything together in a special material. It's in the pinned comment and you can get it there. Discovery 4. Finish one task completely before starting another. This is something I struggled with for a long time. I would start folding laundry, then notice a dirty dish, go wash it, then see the plants needed water, and suddenly nothing was finished. The Japanese way of doing things values completion. You begin something and you stay with it until it is done. It sounds simple, but it changes your entire day. The mistake is thinking you are being productive by jumping between tasks. You are not. You are just moving from one unfinished thing to the next, and by the end of the day, the house looks the same. When you give your full attention to one task at a time, each room gets properly cared for, and you feel the satisfaction of actually finishing what you started. Discovery 5. Reduce what sits on your surfaces. Tables, countertops, nightstands. These flat surfaces attract clutter like nothing else. A stack of mail, a few bottles, some keys, and suddenly your kitchen looks chaotic. In many Japanese homes, surfaces are kept almost bare, not because the people living there own nothing, but because they store things out of sight. When your countertop only has what you truly need for the day, the whole room feels calmer. The mistake people make is using every surface as a storage shelf. That habit turns a clean space into a visual mess in just a couple of days. Try removing everything from one table today. Only put back what you used in the last 24 hours. You will notice how much more peaceful that room feels just by clearing that one spot. Discovery 6. Use the entrance of your home as a reset point. There is a beautiful habit in Japanese culture where the entrance of a home is treated as a boundary between the outside world and your private peace. Shoes come off, bags are put away, and you mentally arrive home. Most of us walk in the door, still carrying the rush of whatever we were doing outside. We drop things on the nearest chair, and the mess begins right at the front door. When you create a small routine at your entrance, even just a hook for your jacket and a tray for your keys, you stop the clutter before it spreads. It trains your mind to slow down the moment you step inside. That brief pause at the door is one of the kindest things you can do for yourself after a long day. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these discoveries felt closest to something you have been dealing with at home? Leave a comment and tell me about it. I read every single one. Discovery 7. Put things away right after you use them. This sounds almost too obvious, but it is the habit most of us ignore. We tell ourselves we will put it away later. Later turns into tomorrow, and tomorrow turns into a pile that has been sitting there for 2 weeks. The Japanese mindset treats this differently. The moment you finish using something, it goes back to its place. Not after dinner, not before bed. Right then. The mistake is believing that small delays do not matter. They do. Every object left out is a tiny decision you are postponing, and those postponed decisions add up until your home feels overwhelming. Once you build this habit, it takes just seconds each time, and those seconds save you from hours of cleaning later. Your future self will be grateful for it. Discovery 8. End your day by resetting one room. Before you go to sleep, choose one room and spend a few minutes bringing it back to order. Fluff the cushions, put away the cup you left on the table, fold the blanket on the couch. In Japanese culture, closing the day with a small act of care for your home is a way of showing gratitude for the space that shelters you. Most people go to bed leaving everything exactly as it was, and they wake up to yesterday's mess. That is a heavy way to start the morning. When you reset just one room each night, you wake up to at least one space that feels fresh and welcoming. It does not take long. 5 minutes is enough, and it gives your mind a quiet signal that the day is done and rest can begin. None of these discoveries require spending money or reorganizing your entire house in a weekend. They are small, steady changes that fit into the life you already have. The Japanese approach to home care is not about perfection. It is about paying attention to the little things that make your space feel good to live in. You do not need to do all 8 at once. Pick one that speaks to you and try it for a week. Just one. That is enough to start feeling the difference. Your home has taken care of you for a long time. Now it is your turn to take care of it, gently and at your own pace. What is the first discovery you are going to try? Tell me in the comments. When the home changes, we also change a little on the inside. If you enjoy these more practical solutions and want access to more simple recipes and guidelines, I've left an organized material in the pinned comment. Keep taking care of your home with lightness. And if you feel it's the right moment, the material is there for you in the pinned comment. Thank you for your company. See you in the next video.